Welcome to Middle River Villas, a boutique gated community on Middle River in Fort Lauderdale. This delightful one-bedroom unit out in the courtyard comes fully furnished, turnkey, for $299,000. Need something bigger? Just rent this out and get the deeded dock. It comes with stainless steel appliances and a full-size washer and dryer. It's a great place just to lay your head and relax when you're not out enjoying the courtyard, pool area, and boating. There are 200 feet of new docks going in this year with new electrical and water. Fits up to a 38-foot boat. Intracoastal Waterway is just minutes away, ocean access, and no fixed bridges. Call today for your place in paradise. Call Karen Foster, 561-212-7769. Again, that's Karen Foster, 561-212-7769.